Pocket knife is a small knife with a compact folding design that allows the blade to be stored in the handle when it is not in use. You may be familiar with the Swiss Army knife with its recognizable red housing, small size, and an assortment of implements in addition to the blade, but it actually qualifies as a multi-tool. A true pocket knife has a larger blade and handle, making it useful for whittling, opening packages, trimming branches, and many other cutting chores around the home, at work, or on a camping trip. What's up guys, today you'll take a look at the best pocket knives you can buy right now. We'll try to help you find the right one for your needs. To see the most up-to-date prices, you can check out the links in the description below. If you are new here, do subscribe and press the bell icon for the latest video. Without wasting any time, let's jump into the video. Number 5. CRKT Pilar EDC Folding Pocket Knife. Despite its small 2.4-inch blade, this versatile pocket knife can be used for a wide assortment of tasks. When the blade is extended, the entire length is 5.9 inches. Folded, it's a mere 3.5 inches, making it easy to tuck away in a pocket or purse. The blade is made of high-quality stainless steel, and it also folds into a stainless steel handle with an indented ergonomic grip. This CRKT knife can be opened in one hand by both left and right-handed people, but rather than the typical dual-sided thumb stud, it has an ambidextrous thumb slot in the tang to quickly flip open the blade. It also has a frame locking mechanism for security when the blade is in use. Number 4. Kershaw Leek Pocket Knife. In some situations, it's impossible to use both hands to open a pocket knife, which is where this spring-assisted model can be a big help. It has a thumb stud that extends out from both sides of the blades, so that both left and right-handed individuals can quickly flip it open. The spring-assisted system pushes the blade out, significantly increasing the opening speed. With practice, the user can have the blade ready in seconds. This Kershaw knife has a 4-inch handle that comes in a host of color choices and blade textures, including serrated or flat edge. The blade of this knife is made of high-performance carbon steel that has good edge retention, so it won't need sharpening after every use. Number 3. RoverTac Pocket Knife Multitool. For those seeking a pocket-sized toolkit, this RoverTac model might be just the ticket. It boasts a screwdriver bit adapter and 9 different bits, needle nose pliers, regular pliers, and wire cutters. There's also a can opener and a bottle opener for when it's beverage time. The stainless steel blade, coated with a durable black oxide, is 3.3 inches in length and folds into a 4.3-inch handle. The handle features a liner locking mechanism to keep the blade in place while the knife is in use, and its ergonomic shape fits the natural contours of the user's fingers for a better grip. Carry the knife on a belt, tucked into a pocket or bag, or stowed elsewhere in the included nylon pouch. Number 2. SOG Small Fixed Blade Knife. This SOG pocket knife is designed for quick, effective defense and features a 2.3-inch clip point blade with a full tang to ensure that the handle isn't a potential weak point. While this pocket knife cannot fold, it does come with a sheath to keep the user safe when the blade isn't being used. The sheath has a clip that can be used to carry the knife in a boot or on a belt for convenient access in an emergency. It's even small enough to be carried around the user's neck as a slim necklace knife. Number 1. Gerber Gear Lite Pocket Knife. Not every pocket knife is intended for camping or as an everyday carry tool to help keep users safe during late-night commutes. This Gerber Gear folding utility knife comes with a replaceable contractor-grade blade that's designed for cutting and slicing through construction materials, like drywall, wallpaper, cardboard, and more. The knife measures 5.1 inches when it's open, but it can fold down to just 2.8 inches, concealing the 2.3-inch blade. A simple liner lock keeps the blade in position when in use, and the durable construction helps to prevent the pocket knife from getting damaged on the job site. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like on this video. If you are new here, hit that subscribe button and enable your notification bell icon to get the latest videos of our channel.